Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. As usual, I'd like to thank everyone who liked and subscribed from the last video. Very much appreciated as always. Probably should have started this before I was stuck behind the tractor. There we go. Yeah, so a lovely sunny day today. It's about 22 degrees. Just about perfect for riding. Could do with it being maybe a couple of degrees cooler, but beggars can't be choosers in Britain, can we? So as you can see, I'm out on the BSA. Gold Star 650. I got my new tyres fitted a couple of days ago. And there lies a story. For those of you who watched my last video regarding tyres, you'll notice that I've narrowed it down to three choices. One was sticking with the Pirelli Phantom Sport comps. They weren't causing any issues for me. Or do I go for the Michelin Road Classics? I know a lot of people have those on. Or do I go for the Bridgestone Battle Axe B46s? BT46 rather. Well, I decided to go for the stick with the Pirellis, as most of you probably know. So my friend Graham, who used to run a bike shop, but he closed his bike shop because it was just too expensive to run. But he has kept his kit, and he said he'd fit them for me, which is kind of him. So I said I wanted the Pirellis. Anyway, he said he'd source them for me. A couple of days later he rang back and said, I can't get the front, I can get the rear but not the front. Now it was the front that was in more need of a change than the rear. So I said, well, how about the Michelins then? So I leave it with me and I'll get back to you. So later on that day he rang me up again and said, regarding the Michelins, I can get the front but I can't get the rear. I thought, oh bloody hell. So he said, I can get the Bridgestones there, if you want those. So I said, yeah, go on then. Might as well, because I didn't really want to be waiting too much longer to get my tyres changed, particularly the front, because it was right on the limit. So, it took a couple of days to arrive. I dropped my bike off at his house a few days ago. He took the wheels off, took them to work where his machine was, and put them on. So this is the first sort of proper ride out I've had with them on. And I've probably gone about 5 miles so far, and they seem absolutely fine. It's probably a little bit too early to see whether they're better than this Pirellis. But they do seem pretty planted, I must admit. So I would be interested to hear what tyres you plump for on your bikes, on your BSAs. Give you an idea on price on these. With the new tubes, it was 280 quid. And he just charged me 50 quid for fitting, which I didn't think was too bad, to be honest. So not particularly cheap, but then again, what price grip, as we all know, particularly as this bike could do up to about 100 miles an hour. Probably not with me on it, but it could do. So that's just a brief catch-up, really, on the tyre situation. This guy going to close his door now, is that right? Yeah, it's just a quick catch-up on the tyre situation. If there's anything major develops, I will keep you posted, but hopefully not. Hopefully this should serve me for at least 7,000 miles, like the Pirellis did. We shall see. That's probably not a good place to overtake, mate. Right on a blind bend. Anyway, stuck behind this thing, so I will say goodbye, and I will catch you on the next one. Cheerio.